Okay, we are going to spell it, define it, and act that out. Ready? Spell it. Zorbit.
Zorbit. X.
Z.
O.
R. R.
B. I.
T.
Zorbit.
A.
Fabric.
That tends
To.
Match. Everything.
and also leaves
You.
Sexy.
Zorbit.
Does this look good on me?
Oh, girl, is that Zorbit?
What's up, girl?
So Zorbit.
How does it match with like every part of you?
It's Zorbet.
You're matching Zorbit. You're matching all of us.
Are you all wearing Zorbet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zorbelicious.
Zorbet.
Zorbit. All right,
All right, we just had to have a little break between us singing our musicals so that, because we didn't want to upstage her with our singing. So now it's time for the musical. And for this, can we have a word that makes you feel nostalgic?
Raindrops.
Raindrops. I'll always remember you just like that. I'll always have that image of you. I love playing in the rain with you.
You'll never remember who you were. You'll have to rebuild from here.
What?
When you fell from that skydiving accident
Who are you?
up on your doctor club,
Nice to meet you.
you will get a new name.
What is it?
What do you want it to be?
Maybe John? John was just arrested yesterday for something he doesn't remember. He robbed a liquor store to pay for all his prescriptions, but he doesn't remember.
John.
I took him in, I told him that he robbed this liquor store, but he doesn't remember.
John.
So I have to put him in jail, but he doesn't remember.
John. Free my daddy, free my daddy. I haven't had any food for 3 weeks.
I'm so sorry.
He's a single
I'm so
daddy, and I am hungry.
So
daddy.
That's your bed.
All right.
You don't say all right, you say thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
That's great. You have learned very well. No sniveling. No sniveling in this house.
I'm sorry, my grandma told me to be strong. So I'm gonna try my best.
We don't talk about your other family now.
Okay? All right.
All right?
I am me. I am me and I am only me.
Yes, and you're part of my family now.
Oh,
And in my family, you get up at 5 a.m.
woo.
and you start to clean.
Oh,
And you clean, and you clean, and you clean.
whoa. What
It's
type
a
of that?
wonderful family.
Oh, sounds great.
All right, welcome to Group Homes, all Group Homes. Wow. This is the luxurious Group Home Boutique. So you do get your choose your own room, you choose your own bed, and you know, this is good living right here.
This is it.
Besides not having parents, it's good living.
Oh, sure.
All right, so
Need some.
we need to
remember
talk about.
on the front porch.
Privacy. We're just gonna talk about now. Here's the deal.
What's up?
When we give you away,
Away.
we keep the stuff.
What?
You live good for a while, and you know that's it.
So what if my family like, you know, sucks?
Well,
You just
it's kind of a harsh word to say. You know, it's more like
What if like,
Are you new here?
Yeah, but why are you under there?
I'm just it's my hiding place.
Well, should I come too?
I think you should. Good roll. You gotta learn to roll here. Thank you. If you're gonna survive, you gotta learn to roll here. All right. Well, what are we doing here? Well, we wait because 2 o'clock is when Miss Jeanette does her grown-up drinking, and that's when you gotta stay under the covers.
Oh no.
That's when she has her stinky soda. Yeah, exactly. Oh no. Hey, I'm Liz. I'm Madeline. Madeline. Hi. You're really new. Wow, this is pretty cool little under the bed place. I saw you put some posters of Justin Timberlake up there. You gotta make it yours however you can. Yeah, you can. There's room, like if you wanna put a poster up. You could put one up. I'm just gonna put a poster of my dad. Whoa, that's your dad. Yeah, isn't he cool?
You can't just keep saying you don't remember.
Where
Sit
am I?
down.
Where am
Sit
I?
down.
Who are you again?
I am a police. Look at the badge.
Oh, police.
We're allowed to do that.
where'd you go?
You know,
Where am I?
this is getting exhausting. This whole where am I, who am I, what am I? You know, you can't just keep saying you don't know and you don't remember.
I do have one memory.
Oh, please tell me, I'm all ears.
It was raining.
It rains a lot here, we live in New England.
In the face. With their tongue out like this.
What was it, a fish?
No. He's collecting raindrops on his tongue.
Who does that?
My best friend. Started to come back to me.
Oh yeah, do you remember you have a family?
Family?
You got responsibilities?
Responsibilities? I only remember one thing.
What are you gonna sing now?
Collecting raindrops in the spring. Mouth wide open. Raindrops was such a beautiful day.
The rain is not beautiful.
My friend, where are you?
I gotta call the doctor or something.
My friend, what did you do?
I don't know how to handle this.
Collecting raindrops
He's thinking about raindrops.
in the spring. It was such
Dr. Nutty.
a beautiful.
Dr. Nutty, he's having a memory.
I have a daughter.
Dr. Nutty, can you answer me?
Oh, what's up, man?
What's up, man? What kind of a doctor are you? He's having a memory.
A memory?
I have a daughter.
You do have a daughter.
Madeline.
I'm sorry, Madeline, but when they tell you you gotta move, you gotta move.
Move!
Please.